good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all of the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. It could be altcoins, it could be meme coins. As long as the project has potential, we are checking it out on the channel, guys. We're back and we're checking out Refund once again, man. I'm telling you guys, the top influencers still on the project. A lot of top names in the space: Jake Gagain, Your Pop, Rodney. A lot of people are bullish on Refund. Even Slum Doge Millionaire is bullish on Refund. So a lot of people right now are seeing this retrace and they're thinking, oh no, it's over, it's over. Projects go up and down. It can't be up only forever, guys. And as long as the community stays alive for Refund, as long as, you know, there's people that are still there pushing the project consistently and talking about it, if the project will never actually die, right? As long as there's a community there that's still pushing the project. And also we have the project has blur.eth, you know, as one of the founding persons in the project that is backing the project. So a lot can still be accomplished here, and there could still be a lot of upside potential. You know, this is why you DCA into projects. You don't go all in right away. You DCA in the DCA on the way down, so you could you know, find a great average. So when it starts to move back up, right? Not saying that it's guaranteed, but you know, our Refund has a lot of bullish momentum behind it, right? So when it does start to move back up, the probabilities of that are high. I could be wrong, obviously, but if you DCA it in, it starts to, you know, get more bullish once again, starts its way to, you know, out of consolidation to start moving back up in price, and you DCA'd on the way, you know, on this retrace right here, you're gonna have a better average, you know, when you know, we start to see green days for Refund. It's trending number 2 on Dex Tools, and you know, it's making a lot of noise, guys, so I can't ignore it. I can't ignore making content on this because it is, you know, absolutely crushing it as far as like awareness. And this is how Pepe was, right? Pepe was a beast of its own kind, obviously, because it absolutely just went crazy. But you know, Refund is a very bullish project, so you know, and the community, you guys of Refund, are super bullish as well. So this could be a 10 to 100x potential opportunity, right? It could potentially be right now it's at $45.8 million in market cap. It goes to 460 million dollars in market cap. That's a 10x, you know, and $1 billion in market cap would be a 20x from here. So who's to say that can't happen? You can't rule that out, guys. Always remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is investment advice. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. I also started a Discord. I also started a Discord and a Patreon as well. So I'm getting it off the ground, guys. Let me check out my last Refund video. It's gonna be the first link right here, my Patreon, where I'm gonna cover like pre-sale content, exclusive content, early access content, you know, content that I don't post on YouTube right away. I'll get it to the patrons first, and you know, we're gonna, you know, have a Discord where all of us could you know, talk about these projects. There's gonna be different tiers as well. Let me pull it up so you guys can see. There's gonna be different tiers as well. Like I said, I just started it. So there's the Crypto Sniper tier. I personally recommend the Crypto Elite tier, Crypto Maverick, and Crypto Legend, but I personally recommend the Crypto Elite tier. Yeah, so there's gonna be a lot of exclusive content here where we talk about all kinds of different projects. It could be Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, you know, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, ETH, I'm having a tough time speaking, Ethereum chain, you name it, right? And yeah, Refund would be one of my picks, guys. Obviously, I'm not perfect. I'm not, you know, I will make mistakes, but Refund will be one of my picks as a project. RFD has been launched by blur.eth. We've seen the updated website. We see what's happening on the Twitter, constant activity. When you bought RFD thinking it's just another meme coin, but then Blur actually gives you the Refund. And OKX, look at our insane volume and still no listing when Refund. So that OKX listing could potentially be next for the project, guys. They have constant Twitter spaces, and like I said once again, you know, a lot of influencers are in the project. When there's new retail investors that flow into the space and they talk about projects like Refund or Pepe, guess what the new retail investors will be buying? What the influencers speak about, right? That's the first place they go. And you know, as far as community building, it is clear as day that this project is crushing it with community building. They're holding spaces daily, 2.1k tuned into this space from sticky.eth. There's a community here that is, you know, backing the project. This has evolved more than just a pump and dump meme coin. Now you could put it in likes of like you know, the Tsukas of the world, you know, the Mongs of the world, right? And yeah, I think Refund is super bullish, guys. So if you hold Refund, let me get your thoughts down below. Everything Refund and myself will be in the description. OKX could be potentially next for Refund. I wouldn't rule out a Coinbase listing as well, because it doesn't have any controversy behind this project. A Binance listing as well. You really can't rule these things out. You just never know what could potentially happen. We saw what happened with Pepe. So stop, I would say, stop being so nihilistic when you think about crypto, because it is very unpredictable. The spontaneous could happen before you know it, guys. Once again, started my Patreon. Link will be, the first link in the description is to the Patreon. It will give you access to my Discord, where I share exclusive content, altcoins. We come together as a community to talk about, you know, doing our best to get success in crypto, finding great altcoins, finding great plays, and you know, I'll share it, all of this with the patrons first. Once again, Refund community, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know what other projects you'd like me to check out, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.